Connectrac Under-carpet Wireway installation. When you're ready to install your Connectrac Under-carpet Wireway, first check the contents of your shipment to make sure you have all the parts you need. Carefully measure and mark the floor to be certain Connectrac will be positioned exactly where you need it. Snap a chalk line to have as an installation guide and to ensure your Connectrac will be straight. Mark an opening in the wall to allow access to the cabling. Carefully cut the marked opening in the wall and remove the sheetrock for the opening. Next, cut the stud wall and remove the stud wall cutout. Now that you've made an opening in the wall, lay out the base track. Cut the base track to fit the length needed for your space. Pre-drill base track at regular intervals, then pre-drill the concrete using the base track as a template. Next, screw down the base track. Position and mark the receptacle for later installation. Now you're ready to lay out the Connectrac transition ramps. Measure, mark, and cut the transition ramps to fit the length needed for your space. Double-check the fit of the complete ramping system. Carefully glue down each piece of the Connectrac ramping system. Mount the receptacle at the location you previously marked. Next, position the cabling and mount the wire management clips. Measure, trim, and install the Wireway top cap. Finally, install the carpet and replace the base molding. Connectrac, it's that easy.